This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ownership or editor rights because you cannot remove access without them. Open the Google Sheet and click Share. Once done, the sharing dialog shows people and link settings. Make sure to scan for groups, service accounts, and anyone listed as editor or viewer. You should also check whether link access is set to anyone with the link. If so, you'll change that next. This initial sweep prevents missing embedded or domain-wide permissions that keep access active. Now remove access. Click each collaborator and choose remove or downgrade their role to viewer if temporary retention is required. Once done, change the link setting from anyone with the link to restricted. This immediately blocks external link access. If your sheet is in a workspace account, make sure to inspect domain-level sharing or third-party app access in admin. Those can regrant access. Also, remove any published or embedded copies by checking File Share Publish to Web and disabling publishing to avoid lingering public copies. Finish by confirming changes. Reopen Share and verify no undesired accounts remain, then test the link in an incognito or private browser to ensure it's inaccessible. If the file sits in a shared drive, remove it or update shared drive permissions since that overrides file-level settings. If access still persists, inspect connected OAuth apps, publish links, or request workspace admin intervention to revoke domain-wide grants. This step clears residual access and prevents accidental resharing. One final audit keeps the sheet secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.